Hi guys, this is a quick update on some of the pairs which I'm actually monitoring, and also like the USTEC and US30 before the market start. I just want to give my view on this one. So all trading activities, they are actually can be risky. So if you can't afford to lose the money, then don't trade. So this is just for the educational purpose. So let's start after this disclaimer. If you guys remember, that's around 30 or last week sometime we actually mentioned that I'm expecting pound JPY in this following segment and following the pattern. And currently you can see that the market is coming down. I'm expecting a lower red semaphore to be shifted from here to the right side. So today the market was down. Yesterday market did try to break of the previous day's high, but it's failed and it just wicked out, and then the market is coming down. So always when the market is actually wicked out, we always get ready for the short trade. Now, how would you have been trade this particular bar? So let me explain to you how would you have been trade that one for today's market. So for example, if you just simply go back here, so that's your yesterday's market, and that's when you open today, your market, just simply go from 1 hour time frame and see exactly what's pattern it's being formed there. So you can see you got your right hand shoulder, left hand shoulder, noble, and then you got your right hand shoulder. So just below this area, you should have your trade setup ready, and you should actually have enter into this market. So this is the area I'm talking about. That's all. So when market break in this area, at the opening of this candle, you can actually enter the short, and that's would give you at least from right now probably about 100 point or 95 point so far, right? The market, the party is not over yet. It's going to come down further. So we just simply going to wait for that one further to come down. If you want to enter again in this market, then wait for the market to pull up here, take the liquidity of this swing point. And if it's get a red semaphore, then maybe we can expect prices to come down further. Again, this is a significant support area. So you have to be very, very careful when you're making a trade here. So that was the pound JPY on the today's market, which we almost missed out. So now if I can just simply put my cursor on this area right up here. So that's yesterday's market, today's market, how you would enter, and that's what you got, right? So this is where this is, so yeah, this is where you would actually enter, and now this is where you are right now. So you can see that the current market is going forward a little bit upside, and I'm just waiting for this area to pull up, and then we can short. Now let's have a look into the US tech. All right, so US tech, we can see this, we have actually this resistance areas have been formed. And also you can see that we have this low area have been formed. Now my expectation from the last few days, which I've been actually talking, that's I'm expecting prices to actually come down this area. Why it needs to come down this area? Because this is the, if you look at from on this leg up here, so this fair value gap has been filled, this fair value gap has been break, and then after this fair value gap, of course, market actually went upside, right? Now, if you look at from here onward, all the way up here, all of the fair value gap in this area has been actually covered. What is not covered is this fair value gap. So I'm expecting market to come down. But do we trade straight away right now? No, of course. So again, let's have a look into the market behavior. What's happened yesterday? For example, this is the trade. Okay, so market is actually gapped open and gap closed yesterday above the previous week's, Monday's high or lows or whatever it is. So I would actually say this is a significant formation. That's market break above, and I can see a lots of selling pressure actually coming on Tuesday into the market. Okay, now today's market has started from up, it's coming down, but I'm expecting, I'm going to watch out these key areas. So if basically This is the key area because we have seen that lots of selling pressure actually enter into the market from here onward. There was some selling, but this buying pressure was not enough to push the market further up. It's only managed to push it here. So that's mean that's still lots of selling in this area was yesterday, but buyers was overall kind of in the upside move. So we expect prices today to actually break high of this one. If it's break high of this one, then we will actually enter long position on the lower time frame. But now let's have a look into today's market. So you can see that today the low has been formed here. I'm not sure that this is a low or high. One of those one has been formed. So if the market coming down below this one, then you have your low has been formed, high has been formed. And if the market is actually break this area, doesn't break this area and does it stay here, that's mean that we can just try to enter around that area. So let's have a look into the 1 hour time frame in this part. All right. So what we have here is a significant area. You can see that's what the fair value gap and the order block, which actually has touched. And now the market is trying to go upside, right? What we have here is from here onward, right up to here, there is no fair value gap or any other kind of thing. So I'm actually expecting this order block to be filled today if the market want to come down. I'm talking about this area here. Okay, that's the area which has not been touched. The area, this one has been actually touched by this candle, wicked in, and then move upside. This one has been touched, this has been touched, and this particular area from here to here, it has been break, and now the market want to come down. So I'm expecting market to come down. So all I need to do, I need to actually go to the lower time frame. Either if it is a low of the day has been formed here, then probably on 15 minutes, I want to see right up here, a royal semaphore with the FSB red or FSB blue. Right now, we don't have a royal semaphore. We have a noble. If I can go to the 5 minutes, yes, I will have that one. So I have this noble royal semaphore, but I haven't got like a confirmation that's the price is going to move upside, right? So all I am actually waiting, a red semaphore coming down, the red Benji coming down and meet the lower part. And if it's failed, then this is the area where I will actually enter long position. So you can see USTEC on the daily time frame. I'm still expecting prices to basically just simply either support this area for today's lows, or if it is if it can actually maintain this area, then this is what I just shown you, the trade with the FSB on the 5 minutes time frame, right? If we don't form any FSB on the 5 minutes, that's mean that market is going to go up, and that's market going to come down. That's mean that's the upper part is actually was your FSB. And with this FSB on the M5 minute time frame, if it break this one, then every pullback or any other pullback, we can just try to enter short in this one. So this is how I actually see the USTEC. US30, I believe it's a similar one. Yeah, US30 is in the similar format. The only thing like that's the selling was a little bit stronger, or a little bit more selling than the USTEC in US30, but the buying is still significant here. Okay, now that could be a misrepresentation, or this is a trap for the institutional traders. Just try to see how you can actually work out this one. But I'm expecting prices to actually come down. So I got this lower blue semaphore on this time frame here, which is 2 days ago. And that should be a royal semaphore on the 15 minutes. All right, where it is. Here it is. So this is what I'm actually talking. So royal semaphore on the 15 minutes time frame. And here you got this FSB red, break of the structure, and the market is actually gone up. So you should have captured those ones, this particular trade. What time, which days you would have, we would have this trade. So for example, break of the structure happened in this candle, on this candle. So Monday, we should have this trade set up. We should have captured that trade. Yeah. And we should have captured a little bit of this money up here. Market is pushing upside. But at this stage, let's see what's happening. I want to repeat the things again, the way I look at the market. So if I can see this this particular day today here, and I can move my cursor into that today's high and lows. And now let's look into the daily time frame. Sorry, 1 hour time frame. All right, so that's the 1 hour time frame. I can see the red semaphore. So on 5 minutes time frame, there is a royal semaphore here. So royal blue, we are up. Okay, if not, this is not the case, then royal red, we are down. So let's move into the 5 minutes. Okay, so you can see here, we got royal yellow semaphore. Market straight away is telling us that market want to move upside. So we waiting on the 5 minutes time frame, a pullback. And if this royal semaphore actually respected, then we will be actually long in this market. So this is what I got for US30 and USTEC. Happy trading and take care, and do not trade without the stop loss. Bye for now.